if I catch you at the right moment and we can do a meditation practice, a one that is special because it teaches us how to be acceptance. We have all heard about how acceptance of your situation, whatever they may be, is so important. So we can do a very simple meditation with a little focus about acceptance. Okay, so in a very comfortable position, first just notice anything that you can spot, hear, touch that is in your present moment. Because I think that in order to accept something, you have to know it as it is without judgment. So let's say I am touching my steering wheel right now, my car is parked. I can see and notice and observe that my hands are touching. I know the feeling. Okay, just a simple touch, there's a little warmth to it, this hardness of the physical makeup of the steering wheel. So I see that, and I can open up my listening. I can hear the air conditions. I can hear this vibration sound of the car. Of course I can feel the little vibration, but I can also hear it. You know how this little sound, these nuances, when I open up my senses, I can hear to that. So as you notice your current environment, you're also accepting it, right? So these are simple things. Continue just to observe. It might be, I'm seeing that green gate right now, and then I start to notice that, you know, it's a pretty old gate, rusted. I can feel my sensations of sitting down on the chair. So by practicing, like noticing, spending moments each day just to notice your present, appreciating and embracing, you start to help you to accept your current environment. You know, those are all neutral environment. I mean, it doesn't really mean anything, but it's there. It's a part of your present moment. So by having this connectedness, I think that you know that they're there, you notice them, you accept them as part of the environment. Then I guess these are like tiny things that help you to know that those are all the present things that are happening. And maybe, just maybe, that will start to help you gain some insight or wisdom or some unique way that to help you accept your actual current situation too. But we start by using these little things, you know, picking up a cup, noticing that without any judgment, knowing that it's hard, you know, when I drink it, the sensations and things like that. Use all these little things. Start with that, and hopefully those will give you some insight and become more acceptance of your current situation. I hope that helps. Thank you.